Landforms are the different shapes that the land can take here on Earth. Islands, coasts, and peninsulas are all different examples of landforms. Islands are a small area of land that is completely surrounded by water. An example of this is Australia. Australia is the only continent that is also an island. Hawaii in the United States is also an island, much smaller than Australia, because they are both completely surrounded by the ocean, which is a body of water. A coast, or it can also be called a beach, is land that is closest to the ocean or the sea. And we usually think of a beach being covered in sand, like this picture. But a beach can also look like this, that is very rocky. Both of these are beaches, they just look different. A peninsula is a piece of land that sticks out into a body of water, and it is almost entirely surrounded by water, but there is a small piece that is still attached to a larger piece of land.